Christmas is just around the corner, and if you're looking for the perfect gift for a special gardener in your life, then grab some cocoa and get comfy. Today, I'm sharing 10 great gift ideas that gardeners would love to find under the tree Christmas morning. Stick around. This is In the Garden. Thanks for joining me. Whether you're a new viewer or a returning subscriber, I'm glad you're here. This is In the Garden, where I share tips and tools to help new gardeners be successful in backyard vegetable gardening. Most of my videos are how-tos and guides to help with specific tasks in the garden, but some of them are more like this one, where I share products that help complement a home garden. Today, I'm sharing 10 gift ideas that are great for home gardeners. I tried to pick things that any home gardener would love and use, but make sure you watch all the way to the end of the video to find the one that's perfect for the gardener in your life. And I'll be sure to post links to all these products in the description, so if you want to learn more about any of them, you can find them easily. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and leave me a comment and let me know who you're shopping for or which one of these gifts you would love to find under the tree Christmas morning. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing so you can get even more gardening videos to help you be successful in your garden. Now, let's get started. The first gift idea is seeds. Seeds are great for home gardeners because gardeners always love trying different things. And you can look for things that are like unique types of seeds or seeds that you know are foods that your gardener would just love to grow in their garden. You're going to want to make sure that you look for organic, non-GMO heirloom seeds. That will allow them to save the seeds and grow them again year after year after year. Seeds are just a really fun thing. You'll see gardeners and they open up packets of seeds and it's just like, maybe you don't understand it, but it's exciting to see all the different seeds as a gardener. So that is definitely a good gift for any gardener in your life. The great thing about seeds also is that you don't necessarily have to know the exact one to buy. You could buy a variety pack of seeds and it'll come with all kinds of different things so that the person that you're buying for can try a bunch of new things in their garden. They'll be really happy with that. Or if you know exactly what they want to grow, you can buy the specific kinds of seeds that you know they're looking for. That leads me into the second gift idea. The second gift is seed starting supplies. Seed starting supplies are things like containers, heating mats, lights, all the stuff that a gardener is going to need to start seeds inside before the warm springtime hits. This allows gardeners to get a head start on the spring growing season. If you're shopping for a new gardener, you can look for things like an entire seed starting kit. That'll come with all the things that they need to start growing seeds inside. Or if it's a gardener that's a little bit farther along, you could just buy the specific things that you know they need. Things like heating mats or plant markers, cups to plant in, even soil. There's a special seed starting soil mix that would be even a great gift for a home gardener. The third gift idea is gloves. Gloves are great. Gardeners need all kinds of gloves. They go through them really fast and they love having new, good gloves to use in the garden. You're going to want to look for gloves that are at least thorn resistant, but you're also going to want them to be lightweight, so you're not going to get something that's super heavy duty that they can't actually work in the garden with, but you're going to look for something that will help when they're digging in the ground and they accidentally grab a sticker or something, they're not going to get jabbed in the finger. So thorn resistant gloves that have like a latex coating, those are a really great option, or any kind of lightweight glove that they can use in the garden. Also buying a variety of gloves so that they have the ones for whatever task they're working on. Whether they're pulling weeds or planting or pruning their roses, that they have the right type of glove for that job. Gloves are a great gift for your home gardener. The fourth gift idea is hand tools. Things like shears, trowels, or cultivator rakes, any kind of hand tool that a gardener would use while gardening in their garden. You can buy these kinds of items individually, or you can even buy them in a kit. They'll come in a bag, so you can get like a really nice gift buying a set of hand tools for your gardener. That's really great to do, especially if the gardener is just getting started and they don't have any of these things yet, because they're definitely gonna need them to start planting in their garden. Gift number 5 is a kneeling pad. Kneeling pads are basically just a piece of foam that a gardener can put down on the ground when they're working in their garden to protect their knees. A basic kneeling pad is really inexpensive and is a great gift. But if you want to step it up just a little bit, you could look for something like a combination kneeling pad and seat. This is a seat that a gardener can use in their garden, but that converts into a kneeling pad. So whatever task they're working on, whether they're sitting pruning bushes or they're down on the ground digging and planting things, that they have whatever they need. This would be a really great option to consider for your gardener. Gift idea number 6 is a metal pail. That might sound pretty basic, but it's really a useful gift and it's really inexpensive. Metal pails are used for all kinds of things in the garden. Everything from pulling weeds to pruning plants to just putting soil in it to move around. It's just something that every gardener has to have in their garden. So buying a metal pail or even a couple metal pails is a really great gift idea. And what's great about these when they're given as a gift is you can actually use them as kind of like a basket to make a garden basket. You could put things like hand tools or other things inside of the pail and make it a really nice gift for your gardener. The 7th gift idea is garden decor. Things like lawn ornaments, even painted rocks, things like that. Anything to make the garden a more enjoyable space to spend time. Even things like solar lights are really great to add into the garden if your loved one spends time out in the garden either early in the morning or in the evening or nighttime. Solar lights are a really great option, but anything to make it a more enjoyable space. Gardeners are more and more incorporating their vegetable gardens into their landscaping and into their relaxation spaces. So putting things out there to make it more enjoyable will just make it nicer, not only for the gardener, but for the whole family or anyone that's out in the garden. Gift idea number 8 is good for any gardener, but it's especially good for a gardener that's a little bit more established. If the person you're buying for already has a drip irrigation system in their garden, they might not have an automatic timer for it. An automatic timer is a great gift for a home gardener. Automatic drip timers make the watering process for a garden so much less stressful, and it will help them to be way more successful in their home garden. There's a lot of different drip irrigation timers that you can buy for your garden, but one brand that I've had a lot of success with is Rain Drip. I would definitely consider purchasing a Rain Drip brand irrigation timer if you're looking to buy one as a gift for your loved one this Christmas. Gift idea number 9 is an Aerogarden. Aerogarden is a countertop hydroponic gardening system. These can be just placed right on your kitchen counter and you can grow all sorts of things any time of year. It's really great for herbs or even things like tomatoes. You can grow a huge variety of things in an Aerogarden right inside your home. This is great for new gardeners or gardeners that maybe don't want to get outside during the winter time when it's cold, or just someone that wants to have an herb garden on their counter and grow fresh herbs all the time. To be completely honest, I've never actually used an Aerogarden before. I've read a lot about them, I've looked into them a lot, and I hear a lot of really good things, and I've actually just ordered my own a few days ago. When it comes, I'm going to be sure to put out all kinds of videos talking about how I use it and how it works out, and just kind of a review of it as I use it myself. But if you're looking for a gift for your gardener, I would definitely look into buying an Aerogarden. And now for the last gift idea. When I started putting this video together, I asked local gardeners what they would love to get for Christmas. This one idea came up over and over again. I think it's safe to say that any home gardener would love to get this for Christmas, and the best part about it, it's completely free. Number 10 is offering to help in the garden. Offering to help with things like pulling weeds or digging a new garden bed, pruning bushes, just general cleanup, whatever the person needs help with in the garden, offering to help them with that can be a huge thing to them. And because this gift is free, it's a really great thing for kids or grandkids to offer to their parents or grandparents. You can offer to help your grandma pulling weeds in her garden before she plants for springtime. That would be a really great gift and she would be super grateful for it. And it can actually be a really nice, cute gift as well. You can make like a little certificate to give to your grandmother. Say, Grandma, this coupon's good for me helping you pull weeds on a Saturday in the springtime. Those are the 10 gift ideas that I had for home gardeners. I know I would like to receive at least a few of those under my tree at Christmas. So I hope that this video has helped guide you to find the perfect gift for the gardener in your life. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you want to get more content like this, make sure you subscribe so you can get all my latest videos. And if you're looking to maybe drop some hints to those in your life that are buying for you, share this video onto your social media so that they can see some great gift ideas for gardeners. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and from me to you and your family, I hope that you have a wonderful Merry Christmas and a happy holiday season. Thanks for watching.